How to add someone as an admin to your Instagram account. Now this should work for mobile as well. First, you want to open up a new browser tab and head to business.facebook.com. You can type the URL like this, and you will need to sign into your Facebook or Meta business account. And if it signs you to your Facebook account, you want to click on this profile logo right here and click on login with another account. Now you will need to click on login with Instagram and sign into your Instagram account. And if you do get an error right here that says unable to log in with personal account, you will need to switch your Instagram account to a professional account before doing this, and then just sign in again. Now, once you're signed in your Meta Business Suite, you want to go to the left side and then you want to scroll down and click on Settings. And from here, under the Users People category, you should see all the people that are assigned to your Facebook accounts and Instagram accounts. Now, before adding admins to your Instagram, you should add contact info right here, which involves the first name, last name, and business email. Now you want to click on invite people right here, the blue button, and then simply type the email address of the admin or the person that you want to invite as admin for your Instagram. And then you want to press the next button and then press next, and then select the business asset, in this case the Instagram account, and you can give partial access to whatever you want from here or full control for everything for admins, but only give this to people you trust so they can do everything with this privilege right here. And then you want to press next and then continue, and then simply press the invite button with whatever assets you granted, and it should send an invite to this email address. And then the other person needs to basically open up the email and accept the invite. You will see it as pending right here, and until he accepts it, it will be approved, and it should be like an admin to the Instagram account. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.